That's all 8 stitches for pattern 04. Now let's look at remaining patterns. Letter embroidery is detailed in pattern 01. You can watch that. We'll skip demonstration here. Let's look at remaining patterns. Starting with this one. It uses French knot, daisy stitch and stem stitch, plus fern stitch we just learned, and long and short stitch from above. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 6. Come up here. Wrap thread twice around needle. Take down at center. Now for fern stitch below. Again come up on left. Back to center and down. Then come up from middle. Back to center point and down. Come up from above. Following fern stitch method. Complete pattern in sequence. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Using same color thread. For stem stitch, come up here, take down ahead, come up at middle. Following stem stitch method, complete the lines. Final stitch down. Add French knot to small circle ahead. Now use 6 strands of color number 5 for daisy stitch. Come up. Take down along outer edge. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. Add French knot to small circle here too. Let's look at the result. Now for remaining pattern. Use stem stitch for stems, using 4 strands of color number 6. Come up. Take down. Use 6 strands of color number 4 for leaves. Other colors work too, for richer color effect. Now for final pattern. Adjust direction. Turn pattern upward. Makes next stitching easier. Straight stitch goes here later. Skip it for now. Using 3 strands of color number 3. Come up at center again. Take down at outer edge. Use long and short stitch method. Finally use 3 strands of color number 7. Add 2 straight stitches. Take down. Let's look at the result. This completes pattern 04 demonstration. Thank you for watching.